Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook mutton ghee roast. So I have mutton here which I have cleaned and cut into medium-sized pieces. So I'm going to cook this. You can either use a pressure cooker or you can also use a rice cooker to cook this mutton first. So I'm going to just put some thick slices of ginger. Okay, to remove the smell. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Okay, and I'm also going to add 1 cup of water. Okay, so I'm going to let it cook for about half an hour, but if you're using a pressure cooker it's faster, roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to cook this until the meat is tender. To make the mutton ghee roast paste, I have here 5 Kashmiri chillies, which I'm just going to dry roast on low heat, and then I'm going to blend it. It's ready, it's cooked well. I've also put aside the mutton broth. I'm going to use it for the cooking as well. Kashmiri chilies which are blended. I've also added ginger and garlic to it, blend together. So this is the paste that is ready. So let's start our mutton ghee roast. Okay, here I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Yes, it has to have the main ingredient, ghee. Okay, once the ghee has melted, I'm going to add 1 stalk of cinnamon, 2 cloves. Okay, I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of fenugreek, and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay, once these are cooked well, popping away, I'm going to add 1 shallot that I've sliced. This is optional if you really don't want to add any shallots, but it just gives a nice aromatic taste and smell and taste as well. I'm going to add this. Okay, once the onions are a bit brown, I'm going to add in the chili paste and the ginger garlic that was blended together. Okay, this paste has to cook well together with all the onions and spices. As the masala is cooking away, I'm going to add salt to taste. Okay, and then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm going to give it a stir and let all this cook well. Oh no. The smell is amazing. Okay, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Okay. Once the oil has separated, I'm going to put in the mutton. Okay. Alright, and I'm also going to add the mutton broth. Just put it down here. Okay, as the mutton is cooking away, I'm going to add some tomatoes. It's just half a tomato diced. Stir. Okay, I've added the curry leaves, green chilies and coriander leaves for garnishing. So hope you'll try this recipe and let me know your comments. Till then, goodbye.